Hey YouTube! So the parts have been finished and we're going to just jump right into it and start assembling the undercarriage for our Volvo EC550.
I've been getting out of bed these past few days. Think it's fair to be proud about it.
So, as you can see here, I ran out of filament in the middle of the print. So when it started up again, it just didn't latch onto the previous print so good. So I'm going to repair this with my soldering iron.
Just for a moment there, I lost myself. Mind if I be real for a minute? It's almost like everything I feel had a limit. It now gone past. Finding reasons to smile and to laugh, and whenever it's a bad day, music is my band-aid.
So here's the parts repaired. Now we can start assembling the rest.
Here the other day I turned off all the lights. Spent an hour with my memories, and then I realized it's not all black and white. Like I was colorblind, but mentally, yeah. Now my days are brighter, just no longer feeling tired. I don't wear my PJs every day, 'cause I would rather be on site. I thought about it, wrote a couple songs about it. Just for a moment there, I lost myself.
Since the machine is all plastic, I decided to have some holes to put weights inside. So now that we have the running gear ready, I can see how big the excavator is going to be. Now this is a little bigger than the older excavators. So now of course these main beams will go between these parts like so, and then there's holes through this whole thing. I will put a threaded rod through here and then clamp it all together while gluing and other stuff. Then I'm going to cut some steel plates, put on the top and underneath, and fill it all with weights inside.
Wherever we go, we'll always know.
As you can see, this is only 1mm steel, so in order to keep the overcarriage stable, I'll need double steel plates here. If I don't put 2 steel plates here, the whole plate will start flexing, and we don't want that. Here's the motors that I use on my excavators. You can see the specs right there. And also this is a 8mm axle, so I use the same as I use my bulldozers. A couple of these, and then I attach the sprocket to these. I forgot to cut these corners, so I'm going to do that now. The motor hits this bracket, so I'm going to put some weights in here. Alright, so the weights are in. I'm going to add the top plate now, but first I have to attach the swing bearing. So here are the swing bearings that I use on my excavators. Now I buy these on RCBR. They're pretty cheap and very durable and strong. You don't have much slop in them either, so these are nice. Also, you got this teeth on the inside, not the outside, which is a good thing. Also, you have to buy a pinion gear and of course a motor. So I'm going to attach this to the steel plates. Now, before I install this bearing, I'm going to put a few bolts in just to keep the holes and plates centered. That's the swing bearing in place. Oh, this is looking pretty good. And it's really heavy. So here's the sprockets. As you can see, they had a rough time on the printer, but I'm sure they'll be fine. So that's it for today. We almost finished the entire undercarriage, which is great. We need to do the tracks, of course, and we need to assemble the roller wheels, but that's for another episode. I'm going to end the video now. So if you like this video, please press on the like button. I'll see you next time.